The aim of this video is to discuss this question. If sine theta equals 0.834, then angle theta equals. So we're going to use a calculator. So I'm just going to backtrack sine. So when I start, sine theta equals 0.834. Theta is sine inverse of 0.834. Now you type that into your calculator, but if you look at these answers, they all have degrees and minutes. So after I've done that into the calculator, you follow the following buttons on a TI-84 plus CE. You go second, and after second you will press angle. Then you choose option 4, which is DMS, and the following will show on the screen. 56 degrees, 30 minutes, and 42.676 seconds. Now if I look at these options, they only have minutes. So if I round to the nearest minute, if I'm more than 30 in the seconds, I need to round up. Therefore, the answer is 56 degrees and 31 minutes, which means my answer is option A. Thank you.